I have to say this na lang in your podcast. Ano, yung common na sinasabi na minsan ayaw ng parents, minsan gusto ng parents, minsan accepted ng parents. Yung word na blessing.
Blessing.
Oo.
Yeah. When they say, blessing.
Ay, may autistic kang anak. Okay, blessing yan. Ganun. Ako, since I'm an advocate and I'm also a lecturer, medyo nalawa pa ng awat ko. Pero madami na rin akong nakakwentuhan at nabasa sa forums online kung saan thousands yung parents na members.
Ay, may Reddit kaya ang mga...
Madami, may isang organization na 60,000 plus ang members na Filipinos.
Reddit.
And meron yung mga nandun, ayaw nila na sinasabing blessing yung mga anak nila kasi ano lang yun, flowery word.
Yep.
Flowery word. It's a word of comfort. It's a word of comfort. And it's something na yun yung sinasabi kasi yun lang yung pwedeng sabihin. Or yun yung nasanay na sabihin. But some parents would say na it's not a blessing, it's an accepted burden.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, for some, blessings yan. Okay, blessing yan. Bakit? Kasi maganda yung situation ng buhay nila. May lumalago silang business. Everything is good. They have this, they have this certain paradise.
Yeah.
So they say na blessing yan, thank you.